guys, and welcome to Mazeiki's Lay It Out. I'm your host, Miss Peaches, and these are my co-hosts,
Xavier
and
Kiana.
And today we have a great show for you guys. We are going to be talking about the human body, you guys, and body systems. So before you go and eat up all that yummy Thanksgiving food next week, we decided that we wanted to tell you a little bit about your body in case you didn't know. So we want to let you know the inside as well as the out. All right. So first we're going to discuss the actual human body, the structure. Okay. There are nearly 7 billion people in the world, and we are all different. Okay. And now this number has multiplied, and we're multiplying more and more each day as people are having more kids, as you know, we're having deaths. But as you should know, where one person has passed away, another one is born. So our population is always kind of on what they call a balance. You know, it's like this, going up and down, but it kind of stays balanced. All right. The human body is a fascinating and complicated structure made up of millions of cells that all work together. All right. These cells combine to make tissues. 2 or more tissues combine to make organs, and several organs combine to make body systems. So all these things have to work together in order for them to function correctly. Okay? These systems are all controlled by complicated interactions of signals and chemical passings around the body. So an example would be your head has to tell your arms and legs what to do. Your head has to give a signal to your heart to keep pumping. I know you have heard where they have said in a medical show like Grey's Anatomy, I love that show. Mm-hmm. You know, if your brain dead, it's pretty much over for you, because the rest of your organs and things like that are going to shut down. And because no functions, no reactions or signals, should I say, are getting to them to where they can move or even pump. So eventually, you know, it's a sad occasion where you have to pull the plug. But the great thing about it is we do have hope, because everyone is different. You never know what your body can actually do. We are built from God, so only God knows. But we can help ourselves by knowing what what are our body functions and what we can do to live healthier lives, okay? Hair color can be very dramatic, okay? You can have people with blonde hair. You can have people with dark brown hair. You can even have people with orange color hair. Huh? Yes, usually albinos have a yellowish orange looking color hair. And it's very unique, you know, just like people who can see very well, see beyond what others cannot see, which is me. But honestly, yeah, I have that gift, and I'm glad for it, where I don't need glasses and I see beyond what the normal can see, versus someone or some people like my kids who have to use glasses in order to, you know, clear up their vision. But nevertheless, nothing's wrong with that. Everyone needs some type of what I call vice in order to get through life, okay? Just like me, I have problems with my right ear, but my son can hear very well. So you never know. You know, we're all just different. A fun fact. Do you know that at least 50% of the world are women? But guess what? This has risen. Okay? I kid you not. At least about 65% of the world are women. Now what they got to say to the guys? Now don't be like, well, that's more women for me. No. But that means that our population can populate even more, because women give birth to children. So if it's more women, there's more opportunities for more people. Oh my gosh. yeah, we don't need any more people. That's what I would say. But hey, if you have it and you can populate, do so. God said, "Be fruitful and multiply," and I listen to His word. So
me too.
Humans are different from all other animals and have adapted to live all around the world. We can live in cold climates, but we need, like I said, our vixes to adapt to certain areas. However, some animals cannot live in these areas because of the temperature or the climate, or even because of the environment itself. And I think that, we should be very thankful because we come up with solutions and we have machines and things like that and coats and all this stuff that can help us weather the storm in a way. But these animals, they have to merely rely on their own fur or their own skin to help protect them through the heat and winter weather. So we should be thanking God for that. We are the only animals to walk upright, allowing us to use our hands for many things. Now, I want to point out one thing. A dog can try to stand on its, hind legs and stand up like this, but they can only do that for so long. Another animal would be a kangaroo. A kangaroo hops, though. We are the only ones that are able to walk and have full capacity of our brains and be able to have balance, okay? So that's what makes us more powerful in a way over other animals. Excuse me. So it says, we have very developed brains and can work out problems, communicate in many ways, and enjoy cultural activities such as music and art. And speaking of which, music is very healing. Music can bring healing properties. Listening to music can stimulate your mind, relax your muscles, and make your blood flow better in your body. Now, I know you're like, how can it make your blood flow better? Well, if you are relaxed, your mind stimulated, your brain is telling your body, hey, let everything flow. And that's where music can be influential to a lot of people like me. I love music. Also art. If you're into art, you guys, that's a great thing. It's called an outlet source. You draw. If you're mad about something, you can draw. If you're happy, you can draw. If you're in love, you can draw. And so that's why I inspire my daughter Kiana to continue to draw. And at the end of the show, she's going to show you a drawing that she made for the fall weather. All right? So, going further, we love and we laugh and we cry. We are capable of many emotions and are constantly exploring the world around us. Yes, we are, you guys. It's amazing.